Hello to news enthusiasts and followers, let's get straight to the details. Rita Ora's backless gown look has everyone gasping. Rita Ora's backless gown look has everyone gasping. Rita Ora attended the opening night of the Red Sea Film Festival donning a striking backless gown. The singer shared the look on Instagram and thanked her team for curating it. Ora captioned her post, "RSF opening night. Thank you. I always have to have a talk with myself before every carpet. Thank you to my team for always making me feel so confident." Rita Ora wore a black gown to the Red Sea Film Festival and shared pictures on her Instagram. The dress featured a fitted bodice made of black lace over a neutral base. A small black velvet bow sits at the high neckline. It also has cap sleeves. On the bottom, the dress transformed into a satin skirt that touched the floor. Her hair was styled into a slightly undone updo. Soft strands of hair fell to the front and framed her face. Her makeup was kept warm with softly defined eyes and a nude lip combo. She stacked diamond bracelets on one hand and also put on a few rings.